Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a close look at the brand new 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, a bike that's been turning heads ever since its release. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone just stepping into the world of cruisers, the Vulcan S offers a unique blend of performance, comfort, and style that sets it apart in the middleweight cruiser category. Right off the bat, what grabs your attention is the bike's design. The Vulcan S carries that signature Kawasaki sporty, aggressive, yet relaxed. It features a low-slung stance, sharp lines, and a modern, minimalist headlamp that blends well with its urban attitude. The 2025 model introduces new color options, refined paint finishes, and sleeker detailing that give it an even more premium presence on the road. Under the hood, the Vulcan S is powered by a liquid-cooled 649cc parallel twin engine, the same proven power plant found in the Ninja 650 and Z650. This engine is smooth, responsive, and very rider-friendly. It delivers around 61 horsepower and about 63 Nm of torque, making it more than capable for city rides and long highway cruises. The power delivery is linear and predictable, which is great for newer riders, but there's also enough punch to keep experienced bikers engaged. One of the standout features of the Vulcan S is Kawasaki's ErgoFit system. This allows the rider to adjust the seat, handlebar, and foot peg positions to suit different heights and preferences. It makes a world of difference in comfort, especially on long rides. Whether you're short, tall, or somewhere in between, this bike can be adjusted to fit you like a glove, and that's not something many other cruisers can claim at this price point. Moving on to the ride quality, the Vulcan S feels incredibly stable and nimble. Thanks to its sport bike-based frame and suspension setup, it handles corners far better than you'd expect from a cruiser. The front gets a 41mm telescopic fork, while the rear has an offset lay-down monoshock, adjustable for preload. The result is a well-balanced, smooth, and composed ride in most conditions of urban or open roads. Braking duties are handled by a single 300mm disc at the front and a 250mm disc at the rear, both with optional ABS. The brakes provide decent stopping power with good feedback, and the addition of ABS gives you that extra confidence, especially in wet or tricky situations. The instrumentation is clean and modern. It features an analog tachometer alongside a digital LCD screen that displays speed, gear position, fuel range, clock, and other essentials. It's clear and easy to read, even in bright sunlight. Fuel economy is another strong point for the Vulcan S. With a 14-litre tank and an average fuel efficiency of around 22 to 25 km per litre, it offers a practical range for daily commuting as well as weekend rides without frequent fuel stops. As for ergonomics, the riding position is upright and relaxed, with mid-mounted foot pegs that feel natural. The seat is plush and supportive, making it easy to ride for hours without fatigue. Passenger comfort is also decent, though adding a backrest can enhance the experience for two-up riding. In terms of technology, while the Vulcan S doesn't come loaded with advanced electronics, what it offers is purposeful and rider-focused. There's no ride-by-wire, traction control, or multiple riding modes, but the analog approach keeps it simple, reliable, and engaging. That's part of the Vulcan's charm. It's about pure, enjoyable riding. So, Who is the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S really for? It's perfect for newer riders looking to upgrade, urban commuters who want comfort with style, or even experienced bikers who want a reliable, customizable cruiser that doesn't break the bank. With its sporty performance, practical features, and undeniable cool factor, the Vulcan S continues to carve its own path in the cruiser world. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling us what you think of this modern cruiser. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.